Hi guys, this is Ken from Tech Open, and I'm here to show you the unboxing of some items that I got on the internet. And the first one is actually this one to fix my network here at home. I've been having lots of trouble with network connection here to my router, and I've tried everything. I've tried bridges, all kinds of repeaters, anything you can imagine. I've tried it all. I think it has to do with the rebar and the construction or something. There's something that's interfering with the wireless connection. And the fact that the router that is supplied by my internet provider isn't great doesn't help much as well. So I decided to take another different approach, and I got this one from TP-Link, which actually works through the electrical circuit of our home instead of working via wireless. And I'm hoping that this will solve my issues here at home. Yeah, let's get to the unboxing to test this out, see what it's like, and see if it's worth it. You can see also here on the side of the box the specs, and see, it provides users with stable high-speed data transfer rates up to 600 megabits per second on a power line length of up to 300 meters. One button security, 600 megabits power line speed, Ethernet port, compact design, power saving mode. So yeah, let's unbox this, guys. So you have a little manual here. As you can see, it's a small French, English, Italian, all kinds of languages. Here is the little repeater. It's very tiny. You can see it fits in my hand. It's really small. They're both exactly the same. This comes with European connector, since I'm living in Portugal. Comes with two Ethernet cables. So one is for you to connect to your router, and the other one is connect to your computer, for example. And there's also a little quick installation guide to make things easy. Here you can see it tells you to connect to your router via the LAN port, and also to connect via your LAN port, your Ethernet cable to your computer. Yeah, so I'm going to connect this, guys. I'm going to show you the before and after of the signal in the room that we're having trouble with, and so you can see the difference on the before and after. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you now the extender, the TP-Link extender working on the computer. So it's now connected to the computer. I'm going to show the speed test before and with it connected and disconnected. So for now, we're going to do it with it connected, and you're going to see the difference, the obvious difference. I'm getting around 70 megabits on the router when it should be 100, but here in the room, the best I could get was like, I don't know, maybe 5 megabits. It was really, or to 0. Sometimes I didn't even get a connection. So I can tell there's a big improvement in the Ethernet connection. So it's connected via cable. It's not via wireless. Okay, so keep that in mind. This kit does not support, it doesn't come with the wireless end. Now I'm going to disconnect the cable, and I'm going to show you the difference between speed with and without. So you saw it with the cable, now we're going to see it without the connection, without the extender connected. So I'm simply going to detach the cable, and I'm going to switch on the wireless option. Okay, so now I've switched on wireless, sorry. Okay. Okay, so now it's connected via wireless, and we're going to do the test again. So as you can see, I'm refreshing the page and I cannot get a connection. So I've lost the connection right here. Let me show you really quickly. See, it's connected. It only has like a really weak link right here. This is my network, Nulsken. And as soon as I get to the page and I try to refresh the page to see if it connects, you can see I'm refreshing the page and nothing happens. So there's no connection whatsoever. Okay, now I'm going to connect the cable again, and we're going to test it again via the wired extender. And there it is. So you can see it's a huge difference from no connection whatsoever to this speed. So I can definitely recommend this if you're looking for a wired option, wired extender. So this one works via your electric cables of your home. It passes the signal through the electric cables, and then you connect your Ethernet cable to the router. On one of the extenders, you extend the you connect your Ethernet cable to your router, and then on the other end, you connect the other end to your computer via Ethernet cable as well. It's a pretty good option, guys. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments if you have some comments about this kind of extenders, and if you have like other options that you use or that you know of that are also that you recommend, I'd appreciate your comments here on the channel. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.